Swollen legs disappeared with these 15 foods. 6 months ago, my legs looked like tree trunks by evening. The swelling was so severe that my shoes wouldn't fit after lunch. Climbing stairs became a nightmare, and my knees ached constantly. My doctor suggested expensive treatments, but I was determined to find a natural solution first. During a routine checkup, my physician mentioned something that caught my attention. Your body needs collagen to repair damaged blood vessels and strengthen connective tissue, she explained. That conversation sparked a journey that completely transformed my leg health. Collagen makes up about 30% of all protein in your body. This crucial protein forms the structural foundation of your blood vessels, joints, and connective tissues. When collagen levels decline after age 30, your body struggles to maintain proper circulation and tissue integrity. Swelling occurs when fluid accumulates in tissues due to weakened blood vessel walls or poor lymphatic drainage. Collagen acts like reinforcement for these delicate structures. When you consume collagen-rich foods, you provide your body with amino acids needed to rebuild and strengthen these systems. Bone broth tops my list of collagen powerhouses. When bones simmer for hours, they release collagen, gelatin, and essential amino acids directly into the liquid. This bioavailable form of collagen is easily absorbed and utilized by your body for tissue repair. I started drinking 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily. Within 3 weeks, the afternoon swelling in my ankles began to subside noticeably. The key is making broth from grass-fed bones and simmering for at least 12 hours to extract maximum collagen. Fish with edible bones like sardines and canned salmon provide excellent collagen sources. The bones contain type 1 collagen, which specifically supports blood vessel integrity and skin elasticity. These small fish also provide omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation. Research published in Marine Drugs Journal showed that marine collagen peptides significantly improved joint mobility and reduced inflammation markers in participants with arthritis. The study followed 120 adults for 90 days, measuring both subjective symptoms and objective inflammatory markers. Chicken feet might sound unusual, but they're collagen goldmines. These often discarded parts contain more collagen per serving than any other chicken part. Asian cultures have used chicken feet for centuries to maintain joint health and youthful skin. My local Asian market sells chicken feet affordably. I add them to slow-cooked stews and soups. The collagen they release creates a rich, gelatinous broth that my joints absolutely love. Within 2 months of regular consumption, my knee stiffness improved dramatically. Egg whites contain collagen-building amino acids like proline and glycine. These amino acids serve as building blocks for your body's natural collagen production. Consuming egg whites regularly supports your body's ability to manufacture new collagen internally. Citrus fruits deserve special mention because they provide vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis. Your body cannot produce collagen without adequate vitamin C. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits provide this crucial nutrient in highly absorbable forms. Berries pack double benefits for collagen health. They provide vitamin C for collagen synthesis plus anthocyanins that protect existing collagen from free radical damage. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries all support collagen preservation and production. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale contain chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase collagen production. These vegetables also provide vitamin C and antioxidants that protect collagen from degradation. Aim for at least 2 cups of leafy greens daily. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that support collagen cross-linking. This process makes collagen stronger and more stable in your tissues. Adding fresh garlic to meals not only enhances flavor, but also supports collagen integrity throughout your body. Red and yellow bell peppers contain more vitamin C than citrus fruits. 1 medium bell pepper provides over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. This vitamin is absolutely essential for hydroxylating proline and lysine into collagen. Tomatoes provide lycopene, an antioxidant that protects collagen from sun damage and oxidative stress. Cooked tomatoes contain more bioavailable lycopene than raw ones. Adding tomato sauce or paste to meals supports collagen preservation effectively. Avocados provide healthy fats that help absorb fat-soluble vitamins needed for collagen production. They also contain vitamin E, which protects collagen from oxidative damage. The monounsaturated fats in avocados support overall tissue health.